Is it possible to make money on Fiverr without having any skills fulfilling on any of the services or even having a gig itself? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without having any skills or without fulfilling on any of the services. Now guys, with Fiverr, there's a huge industry and a huge spike with the side hustle gig. If you've never heard of Fiverr, it's a place where you can go and you can basically hire somebody to design your website or to create a graphic for you or do video editing. And with the rise of the internet, so many online businesses need people on Fiverr to build their business for them, right? To, get people to build a website for them or to create graphics or whatever it is, right? And especially after the pandemic, so many people are turning to side hustles to make a little bit extra money. But what if you don't have any skills, or what if you don't have any gigs and you want to make money on Fiverr? You know that there's a lot of people making money. I'm going to show you a backdoor strategy that's going to help you make money on Fiverr without having any skills at all. Now, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was stuck at my 9-to-5 job wishing for a way out, and I found affiliate marketing. This is what led me to quitting my 9-to-5 job and building a business of my dreams. It allows me to travel when I want and do what I want when I want to do it. So if you guys want to learn more on how I left my job and built a 6-figure business within 6 months, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm coming out with content almost every single day to help you guys build your business. Let's get into it. Now, the way you make money on Fiverr without having any skills is affiliate marketing, guys. And I'm going to show you how this works with Fiverr, because I'm going to show you a really cool method on how you can start making money. Now, if you've never heard of affiliate marketing, it's basically marketing other people's products for commission. Now, why are we using Fiverr? Because we're already tapping into this multi-billion-dollar industry, and we can start making money off the work of other people's hard work. Now, the cool thing is with the Fiverr affiliate program, you can actually partner with them and you can promote a ton of products, right? You can promote the actual gigs that are sold on Fiverr and make money there. You can promote the Fiverr affiliate program, but I'm going to show you how to make the most amount of money with this program, and that's by actually promoting their courses, okay? Now, you can promote a plethora of different products, and I'm going to show you how to do that using the ecosystem of affiliate marketing. But let me show you where you can find this first. So here's the Fiverr affiliate area. Now, if you just go to affiliates.fiverr.com, you can start earning with the Fiverr affiliate program. Now, I did mention that they have a ton of different things that you can promote, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But guys, this is where you go to join as an affiliate, and you can promote the Fiverr ecosystem, okay? Again, you can promote so many different things. You can see Fiverr logo maker, Fiverr affiliates, learn from Fiverr, which is basically their platform where they teach people how to make money using Fiverr. Now guys, I think the best way to make money with this program is by teaching other people that want to learn how to start a 6-figure side hustle using Fiverr, right? So for example, let's just say I'm somebody that wants to make money using Fiverr, but I don't know how, right? Basically, you can bridge the gap from that person wanting to make money to the program teaching them how to actually do that, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to get traffic in just a little bit, guys, but I'm gonna show you how to create the ecosystem first, okay? Instead of sending people directly to the platform itself, what I recommend doing, guys, is building an email list, okay? Now I'm gonna build an email list of people interested in building that 6-figure side hustle, right? So let me show you how to do this. Now guys, I'm in the back end of my Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Once you create an account, this is kind of what you'll see here. Now, I'm under marketing tools, and you can see here, if I filter by brand, you can see all the things that I can promote, right? Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr sub affiliates, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business. I'm actually gonna go to Fiverr Learn because I wanna be promoting the actual courses, teaching people how to do this, okay? Now, what this pulls up is it has all their courses here, okay? Inside of here, you can see tons of different ways that, people can make money, right? So what you can do is you can promote these courses using the learn.fiverr platform, okay? Tons of different courses on how to do that. Marketing, graphic design, stuff like that. So what I would recommend, guys, is picking a singular niche, whether it's graphic design, websites, writing, and go with that niche, but build your email list around that niche. Now, the goal is to build a profitable email list so we can promote multiple products, right? So instead of sending people directly to that one link, now we can go ahead and get an email where we can go ahead and remarket to them later. The reason we want to do that is because we can create an ecosystem of products we want to promote. So for example, let's just say we want to send them to our core offer of, how to do graphic design on Fiverr, right? Let's just say that's the main thing we want to promote. If you want to build an ecosystem of products, we want to get an email so now we can promote multiple products within that same niche, right? So if the core product is teaching people how to do graphic design so they can build a six-figure business using Fiverr, now we know what they're interested in. We can promote multiple products, multiple softwares, so we can make more money as the affiliate. So for example, we can promote Photoshop, right? Or Canva affiliate program, or other things that graphic designers might need, right? Or even a video editing software. Obviously you'd want to do your research on that, but basically guys, that's how I've built a now almost seven-figure business with affiliate marketing, is because I'm using the affiliate stacking ecosystem where I'm not promoting a bunch of different random products, right? I'm promoting a bunch of products, but that actually help people get the result they desire, right? And that's why you kind of see me promoting, multiple products, but they're all used to help someone achieve that main goal, right? That number one goal that you want someone to achieve. So again, if you're teaching someone graphic design, you have that number one thing, which is the course, right? Under that, then you have multiple tools, softwares to help them get that desired result, which is, in this case, build a six-figure business on Fiverr. So they need to learn the skill first, but you don't have to do that, right? You as the marketer, all you're doing is bridging the gap. All you're doing is helping them get to the right course, and then you're gonna use the email follow-up to now promote multiple products. I know that sounds kind of like a lot, but guys, but this is how you build a real successful business. And not only you're gonna make money now, but you're gonna make money for the long term. And this is the most important part when you're building an online business, guys, is building that long-term sustainable business. And if you're one of those people that wanna quit their jobs, you wanna have financial freedom, you want to be thinking long term, right? You don't want to quit your job and then all of a sudden the industry changes, the affiliate program goes away, and you're kind of stuck, right? I want to be building a system that is not only going to pay me passively, but also going to pay me for years and years, basically forever. And that's why I've built my affiliate stacking ecosystem. And I want to show you exactly how you can do that. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing or anything, any niche, it doesn't really matter, guys. I teach you basically the skills on how you can do this. So if you want to learn step by step, click by click, how to build these pages, how to do the email follow-up, how you can make money using Fiverr or any affiliate program, ClickBank, it doesn't really matter, guys. I'm gonna teach you the skills in my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Now that link is linked down below in the YouTube description. You guys can click that link, you can take the challenge, and I'm gonna literally walk you through the skills you need to learn, but more importantly, the tactical things you need to start building a six-figure business. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how to make money on Fiverr without any skills, having any gigs at all. A lot of people want to make money on Fiverr and they just don't have the skills. Well, I'm going to teach you the skills to leverage other people's experience and skills to start making some serious money online, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any questions, like this video, hit the notification bell, guys. When I come out with new videos, you will be notified when they come out. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.